JPEG Store, the biggest NFT marketplace on the Cardano ecosystem, is shutting its doors. Now, the guys announced this about a month ago, and we've had a month essentially to start migrating away all of our NFTs to different marketplaces, delist them, and then relist them elsewhere. The process is pretty straightforward, but I wanted to take you through a nice way to do it. I haven't tried it yet myself, so we'll fumble through this to work out how to do it. So that way your NFTs are still listed somewhere. Now, if you miss this window of delisting your NFTs, it's okay. They're still in the smart contracts, just that the interface, the website, JPEG Store, will be down. Now, they're ceasing because the NFT marketplace ecosystem is pretty much drying up. They're not the only NFT marketplace that's closing down. If you look at other blockchains, another really big one out there for artists is called Foundation. That's an EVM-based one, and they shut their doors late last year as well. So there's a lot of NFT marketplaces that are just closing up shop because it just costs too much to run all the infrastructure and all the teams and everything around it to make it worthwhile. So let's go through this tutorial here where I take down all of my NFT listings from JPEG Store. So if you go to the JPEG Store site here, you can see across the top here, they are shutting down. You can read a little bit more information about that. Now, one big NFT marketplace that is taking over right now is Wayup. Now, this is from the team of Ada Anvil. Cash is leading up this project, plus all their awesome developers. I've met a couple of them in the past. So they do some really cool things, and they've been working quietly along in the background to make things keep on running for, those that do have NFTs and do still want to trade them. So the really cool thing here, I've already logged into this site and connected my wallet. They've got a migration feature here. So here you can see all my listings, and what they do is they actually pull in all my listings that were from JPEG Store. So all these were actually listed on the JPEG Store side of things. So I believe JPEG Store will get the royalties and all that stuff. So there's an easy way here now to click on Migrate, and this will migrate all my current listings here. These are all my NFTs, my Wayup collection. You can migrate them all over to the Wayup side. So I'm just going to click that Migrate button, and my wallet is now asking me to sign a transaction here. So it's a send transaction from their transaction summary. What's going on here? From address is that one. I'm assuming that is from JPEG Store, and then it's going to a new address here. And I'm assuming this one is the new Wayup smart contract address. And it's so, and the message and the metadata there is of the Wayup transaction. So it looks okay to me. I'm just going to click confirm and sign away this transaction. And I'm assuming now that's ticking away in the background. Oh, there we go. Transaction submitted. Nice. Now I can check that transaction on Cardanoscan and make sure that it is working the way I expect it to. So that was the from address. So let me just expand that one and have a look at it. And here we go. We can see it at the top here. So JPEG Store asks V1 contract. So that is definitely the contract for JPEG Store. And if you look further down here, it's got an audit attached to it as well. So you can see the audit of this contract, which is really cool. I've never noticed that before. And if we look at this one here, this one should be the contract for Wayup. Yeah, there we go. Wayup contract. So I'm moving, what this migration is doing is moving my NFTs from the JPEG Store contract over to the Wayup contract. So now Wayup gets the platform fees for it. So there we go. So you might as well, if you're still selling your NFTs, if you still want people to get them, you might as well support the platform that is selling it, so that they get the fees, the little bit of ADA there, so they can continuously support the platform and make sure you can sell your NFTs. So I've got these are my Cardano Press Wapus. There's to access content on the learncardano.io website. So you can get to them still. I might have to lower these prices. They're a little bit high these days, I think. Oh no, hang on. How much is 200 ADA worth? Not much at all. Okay, it's not too bad. All right, so that's it. The migration's done. I thought that was quite easy. I don't know why I was putting it off for so long. So if you guys haven't done the migration yet, it is really easy. All you have to do is go over to the Wayup website, wayup.io, connect your wallet, sign up for an account. You do need to sign up for an account. You need to use an email. That email account can then manage all of your wallet accounts. So with this one account here, I can link multiple NFT wallets together, and they all get aggregated into the same main listing, main account that controls all your listings. So it's pretty much like how JPEG Store worked as well, which is really good. So you kind of have like a seamless transition from JPEG Store over to Wayup. So support the ecosystem, guys. Support the teams that are still building here in this bear market. If you do have NFTs, move your NFTs over. Now, I also did get a confirmation in regards to the deadline of this migration process. And I wanted to know exactly how long we had, because the UI, the interface for JPEG Store will go down on the 23rd of May. But this is a smart contract to smart contract migration. So I had to ask Cash here and Ada Anvil. So he replied here with, yes, sir. However, there might be some contract mismatches. So best to test before the UI goes down. So that's good to know. So that way you can still delist some things if they didn't quite migrate over manually, and then upload them again on the Wayup platform. So just had to clarify that you can migrate after the website goes down, the JPEG Store website goes down, but there may be some edge cases where things don't migrate properly. So good to know. Thank you for clarifying that. If you found this video tutorial useful, please hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. This is being posted on my secondary channel, which is all about video tutorials and beginner guides and getting people into crypto in general. So you may not have actually subscribed to this channel. So look for that subscribe button down there and make sure you're subscribed. Also got links to my main channel as well, where I report news and updates around the Midnight and Cardano ecosystem. So if you're not subscribed to that one, check that one out too. If you want to support the channel, memberships down below, like, subscribe, buy me a coffee, all that stuff. And stay optimistic, guys. I'll see you in the next video.